Hi, Ivan. Thanks very much for the email and the question on your cooker problem today with Beko BBRIF22300X. I will specifically help you with this problem, and I've created a page with all the information to assist you in repairing it. Not only have I managed to get you the full workshop manual on your machine, I have done a specific FAQ page to assist you with this problem. There's also a full list of all the other problems that can occur with this machine, including detailed videos, workshop manual, and wiring diagrams to assist you. On the page that I created for you, you will find the workshop manual. This is really useful when it comes to actually understanding not only how the machine works, it has detailed explanations of each individual component, and it will also show you the wiring diagram for your machine. There is also diagrams of all the components in the machine, and at the bottom of the page you will be able to match up the reference number on the diagram to the specific part that you require for your machine. This then will do an automatic search for you on the website to find the correct part for your machine. On the page that I created for you, you will also find some videos to do with changing fan oven elements, grill elements, base elements, and also thermostats and selector switches. There are also videos to do with maintenance on the machine, timer problems, and also how to replace the hinges. If you need any further help with your appliance, use the Contact Us page. Make sure you fill out all the details, but more importantly, make sure you give us the full model number, serial number, and a detailed description of the fault. Or better still, upload a YouTube video to your account, send me the link, and let me have a look at the problem you have, and I'll try and help. Making this page for you took me a while, so please remember to support the website by giving us a thumbs up on our YouTube channel and subscribing, and also sharing the channel to your friends and family. We not only make videos on cookers and ovens, we make them on all appliances: washing machines, dishwashers, cooker hoods, extractors, and many other appliances. We're here to help you. Thanks very much indeed for watching, and if we really helped you, remember you can always support the website by clicking on the Buy Paula Beer page. Thanks again for watching.